Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So far we have studied in the chapter number 4 National Movements in India Introduction, the Great National Uprising of 1857, Boycott of Indigenous Movement, Muslim League, birth and development of the Extreme Revolutionary Movement. Now students, I am going to teach you the fierce revolutionary movement in Gujarat. This topic is very easy and interesting, so pay attention. Sir Aurobindo Ghosh was the pioneer, means main, of the armed revolution in Gujarat. So you have to remember this name. But he remained behind the curtain. His brother Barindra Kumar Ghosh was always remain in the forefront. He arrived in Gujarat, moved toward the southern part. Here he met Sri Chotubai, Sri Ambubai Purani, were able companion. Sakarya Swami met him in the bank of the river Narmada. The Swami was associated with the Queen of Jhansi at the time of the revolt 1857. Barindra Kumar evolved some of the middle class youth from Vadodara, Charotar region, Ahmedabad, Mehsana in the revolution. In the relation to these activities, the buggy of Viceroy Minto was bombed outside Raipur Darwaja in Ahmedabad. So revolutionary movements in Gujarat, Sir Aurobindo Ghosh was always behind the curtain. But Barindra Kumar Ghosh always remained in forefront. Okay, he trained the youth of Vadodara, Charotar and Ahmedabad, Mehsana to this revolution. And in relation to this activity, the buggy, horse cart, of the Viceroy Minto was bombed outside the Raipur Darwaja in Ahmedabad. Sri Aurobindo Ghosh described the scene for revolution in the book that you have to remember, Bhavani Mandir. All the revolution, that scheme of revolution written in the book Bhavani Mandir. It was also translated in Gujarati and published in the journal Dakshina. Beside this, booklets with the titles, they had made different booklets. The title given, very interesting student, Desi Vanaspati Davao, Navana Sabu Banavani Reet, Kasrat, Gulabno Kisso, Kaidano Sangra. They published the booklet and the title given like this, were published in order to spread the thought of revolution so that the British won't understand, because that written in the Gujarati language and title given like that, Desi Vanaspatini Davao, Navana Sabu Banavani Reet, Kasrat, Gulabno Kisso, Kaidano Sangra. So British won't understand Gujarati language. In that the scheme of revolution that written in that. Clear? These booklets contain the method of preparing bombs. Okay? Gangnath Vidyalaya was established near Chandod Karnali, where the secret revolutionary activities were carried out. The booklet contained the method of preparing bomb and title given that Kaidano Sangra, Kasrat, Gulabno Kisso, like that. So British won't understand this. Clear? So Gujarati youth joined these revolutionary activities against whom a stern action was taken by the government. But the fight did not stop, and finally the government realized the suppression would not help to rule over the India. In order to stop this all activity, government had taken the stern action, strict action. But government realized that it was not easy to suppress the Indian movements. Now revolutionary movement that in foreign countries. I have taught you the revolutionary movements in Gujarat. Now I have taught you the revolutionary movement in foreign countries. The Indian, those who were living in the foreign countries, they had started revolutionary movements in foreign countries. So these revolutionary movements began in the foreign countries also for giving freedom to India from the British. The revolutionary activities that began in India that spread to different countries like England, Canada, America, Germany, France, Myanmar, Malaya, Singapore and Afghanistan and Russia. The active revolutionaries who took part in revolutionary activities in the foreign countries, the Indian as well as the foreigners who took the part in the revolutionary activities, name of that person were Shyamji Krishna Varma, Madanlal Dhingra, Veer Savarkar, Lala Hardayal, Udham Singh, Raja Mahendra Pratap, Madam Bhikaji Kama, Sardar Singh Rana, Maulana Abdullah, Maulana Bashir, Champak Raman Pillai, Dr. Mathur C. Khudabakhsh were associated with these activities. So this all persons were associated in revolutionary activities, students. Now which kind of revolutionary activities were carried out, that I am going to explain, just pay attention. The revolutionary activities in the foreign countries gave the imparted speed to the revolutionary activities in India. Now students pay attention. Pistols were sent to India from England. How? The badding of cooks. Madanlal Dhingra killed William Wilde. Why? Because William Wilde criticized the revolutionaries. Criticism means said something wrong, bad to revolutionaries. In 1907, the Indian Independence League was established in California, America, which was later name given Ghadar Party. Indian Independence League, name given Ghadar Party by Lala Hardayal. A weekly name, Ghadar, was published in 4 languages. Weekly newspaper Ghadar published in 4 languages. Taraknath Das and Kartar Singh too joined these activities. Now Champak Raman Pillai formed the Hind Rashtriya Swayamsevak Dal in Germany. Students, all you have to remember and write it down. The plan was made to attack India by making Iraq as in headquarters. In the International Socialist Conference held in the Stuttgart, Germany, the Indian flag that you have to remember, students, prepared by Madam Bhikaji Cama, was hosted for the first time. You have to remember, in the Stuttgart, Germany, Indian flag unfurled by Madam Bhikaji Cama. Raja Mahendra Pratap formed the provisional independent government under Rashtra Pramukh in Afghanistan, in which Barakallah, Abidullah, Maulana Bashir, Shamsher Singh, Dr. Mathur Singh, etc. also joined. Just like the Subhash Chandra Bose has established provisional government, in Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh also that formed a provisional government. These government made efforts to get help from Russia, Iran and Turkey. The Iran, Russia and Turkey helped Raja Mahendra Pratap. They also met the Turkish chief Anwar Pasha and the governor. The conspiracy means Shadyantra, Ghalib Nama, written on the Reshmi Rumal, silk handkerchief, asking all Muslims to unite and fight against the Christian, was exposed. Raja Mahendra Pratap sent a golden strip, patti, which with his signature to the Russian Tsar. I had explained, student, Tsar means what? In which he had requested the Tsar to sever, means break down, tear all the ties with the England. The requested Tsar, Russian Tsar, to break up all the relationship with the England. Russian revolutionary, the Trotsky, that had pledged at all his support to the Indian revolutionaries. Sohanlal Pathak in Burma, Premanand in Singapore carried out revolutionary activities. In addition to this, Kamang Tumaru and Toshimaru steamer events provided inspiration to the Indian revolutionaries staying abroad to fight against the British. So these all were the person who was staying in the foreign countries and they were doing revolutionary activities. The Indian youth in the age of 18 to 24 years were mainly involved in the radical freedom. I have already taught you radical means what? A group that can give the life and take the life for their freedom. They used to carry out any kind of thrilling acts, bomb blast, everything, and they did not fear for the death. When caught, they readily embraced the death and shouting like the slogan Inqilab Zindabad and Vande Mataram, like Bhagat Singh in our, for the purpose of freedom of their motherland Their sacrifices would provide inspiration to the young generation for the ages. So students, revolutionary movements in the foreign country will ask for 3 marks. So you have to write it down all the revolutionary activities. These all answer will come, but you have to minimize the answer and comprehend the answer and write it down in your social fair book. Now students, I am going to teach you Morley-Minto reforms 1909. The English adopted the policy of divide and rule to create the enmity between a conflict feeling between Hindu and Muslims. Under the leadership of Aga Khan, Muslim delegation met Viceroy Minto. Minto was the Indian Wazir at the time, and these reforms was known as the Morley-Minto reforms that I have already explained to you. Now Gandhiji, arrival of Gandhiji 1915. Gandhiji returned to India in the year 1915 after successfully fighting against the racial discrimination, color discrimination in the South Africa with the Satyagraha. So students, you have to remember that his political mentor, matlab guru, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, MCQ you have to remember, and spiritual mentor, that Srimad Rajchandra, from where he got the inspiration. So from this paragraph you have to remember these two names, that political mentor Gopal Krishna Gokhale, spiritual mentor Srimad Rajchandra, from whom he got the inspiration. Gandhiji traveled across India and observed the life of the Indians. He considered exploitation that the root cause, means main cause in India, and made the plans to abolish means removed, the British rule in India. So Gandhiji arrived from South Africa in the year 1915. His political mentor Gopal Krishna Gokhale, spiritual mentor Srimad Rajchandra, that you have to remember. Now the most important question that will ask for 2 marks, I am going to explain you. Just pay attention. Rowlatt Act 1919. Students, you I think so had already studied this Rowlatt Act in the 8th standard, previous standard. And it is just revision of you. Just pay attention. It's very easy and interesting. The British government formed the Rowlatt Act under the chairmanship of Rowlatt, the Minister of Law, 1990. That's why it's considered as Rowlatt Act. In 1990, year you have to remember. Now what actually included in this act? Now just pay attention. This act was formed with the purpose of suppressing the revolutionists, matlab daba dena, revolutionary activities to stop the nationalists. This act came to be known as Black Act. Gandhiji was considering this act as a Black Act because it was meant to suppress individual freedom and freedom of speech. It suppress matlab daba dena, Indian freedom and freedom of speech. That's why Gandhiji called it Black Act. According to this act, any suspicious matlab doubtful person, doubtful person could be arrested and jailed without conducting any trial against him. That's why Gandhiji considered this act as a Black Act. Motilal Nehru considered this snatching away the right of argument, appeal, advocacy. For example, if you right now today in the Indian law and order, if anyone, the police want to arrest the person, the clear warrant required. So only basis of the doubt, they arrest the person and jail the person, and that person's that did not given any right to argument, appeal and advocacy. The British government gained immense power under this act to suppress any kind of opposition. If any kind of revolutionary activities that were carried out in order to suppress, matlab daba dena, the Britishers find it more successful. So the leaders and people at large expressed their opposition. Meetings, rallies, shows, strikes were organized against, and the Gandhiji was arrested in the Delhi. Dr. Satyapal and Dr. Kichlu were arrested in Punjab. The agitation becomes severe and the government vehemently tried to suppress all opposition. Vehemently means they started lathi charge, firing everything, okay, to suppress this agitation. Now students, you all have heard Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Very interesting, and it will ask for 2 or 3 marks. Very interesting, just pay attention. This Jallianwala Bagh held incidents that held in the 1919 year in the on 13th March. Opposition of Rowlatt Act. When popular leaders like Dr. Satyapal and Dr. Kichlu were arrested in Amritsar, Punjab, a public that gathered in the Amritsar, in the Jallianwala Bagh, on the day of Baisakhi to oppose the arrest. Jallianwala Bagh, right now also situated in Amritsar, and when you visit over there, Jallianwala Bagh picture and this all tragedy that described over there. General O'Donnell Dyer reached there with his troop. Troop means a group of the soldier. And without any warning, opened fire on the innocent people. Started firing on the innocent people from the machine gun. And description of the Bagh means garden. There were high walls, okay, inside the Bagh. So people could not jump. And in the middle of the Bagh, there was unused well. Many people jumped into that and died. Only way being a narrow, number of the people lost their life in the firing. According to the government report, 379 people died, 1200 people injured. And as per the committee appointed by the Congress, 1000 people at the committee appointed by the Congress, 1000 people had died in the firing. So now one commission called off to supervise, to check out all this situation. The commission name was Hunter Commission, investigating the case on behalf of the British government. And that commission defended, matlab bachana, General Dyer. The commission forgave General Dyer, maaf kar dena. माफ़ कर दिया डायर को, and considering it and the innocent mistake, the mistake had committed by Dyer that happened unknowingly. On the other hand, when Dyer returned to the England, he was honored, gifted with a reward, sword and 2,000 pounds. Indian got a terrible shock because of this, and after this inhuman act, Gandhiji lost the faith from the Britishers, and this event played important role in the uniting the whole India, and this tragedy became the ground for the future non-cooperation movement. So student, Jallianwala Bagh tragedy was very interesting. Here the description of the Bagh, 4 walls. Okay, inside the Bagh, people could not jump from there. There was unused well inside that. Right now, at present, the name of the well given Martyar well. Okay, people jumped into that. People jumped into the well. According to the report, 379 people lost their life, 1,000 people, 1,200 people injured. But according to report that 1,000 people died, one commission was called off by the British government, Hunter Commission. Hunter Commission investigate whole situation and defended General Dyer. And considering that by mistake that the General Dyer that shoot everything, unknowing mistake. Okay, and when General Dyer returned to England, he was awarded with 2,000 pound and sword. So Gandhiji lost the faith from the British from this event. Students, this is important question, Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. This will ask for 3 marks. So students, you have to learn it from this chapter. This is very important.